Hi, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm an expressionist fluid art studio gallery, and I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas. It's dry, but I did actually coat it with Artist Loft paint, although it's really rough, so I'm kind of thinking maybe I should have put some sandpaper to it. I'm thinking I'm just going to put some black marks down on my canvas and start in the most random way possible with some smears and add colors after that. Grab an oxo omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I might use that white. It doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be black and white to start with. And if I wanted to add some more, I probably could. I'm just sort of stealing some paint, making some marks. Sort of calligraphic marks. Can't talk. And because the background is painted, I know that I can pull smears out. I don't want to go too much further. I definitely want to try some gold before I've completely used up all my negative space. I'm using Art 24 karat gold, Art Americana. Mostly because I have it and I've had it and I stocked up on it and it's easy. And I do like the Prizm Pour Mayan gold and the Indian spice. Excuse me, my voice has just decided to go. So this is basically a background, I think. And an experiment at the same time. That I'm not really minding. Kind of like it. I'm just going to do whatever. And this is saffron. This is a Prizm Pour. And I thought I had my jasmine out. And I do here. And I'm going to use a little bit of the sour lemon that has hollyberry in it now. And wipe off my spatula one more time. Take a little bit of that color. And do what with it? Move it to wherever it'll go. I thought if I did this in stages, I could pick different sets, different combinations of colors. And that's my intention. I also intend on doing some swiping with some cell activator, but I'm not 100% sure anymore that that's really going to happen. So this is a new Prizm Pour Silverleaf. That was Midnight Shadow. I have some purple that I made up when I was mixing up a new color. And what was it called? It's right here somewhere. Maybe that's it. Nope. Oh, Bolivian Opal. And I need a little spoon. Actually, I'll just use this tool. It's a little hair tool. Because right now anything goes. including thinking I might scrape through things after. I'm loving the residuals, the leftover paint on my tool. I think I can do the same thing too. Can still scrape it away if I want to. I like the black background. I'm not sure I need any more of that right now. I kind of like what's happening. I don't know if I want to follow through with my entire plan or just part of it. I'm going to use the orange crush. Maybe not a lot. Go back to, what have I got? I like that little tool. I don't want that width though. I have a wider tool. These are silicone hair color tools from my Amazon link, which is on the link tree. Just using the corner, seeing what'll still scrape up while I have a moment. And I'm just going to put it down again. And wipe it off. So it'll be ready to use. This is kind of bugging me. I don't know why. I like the idea of adding some curves. And I like the idea of adding some more of that silver leaf too. I think I want to try it right on my spatula. So I need to turn it over. I need to get the water off it. Just put a few drops down. You know what I want to do? I want to take the white if it's open. And have a little fun. Maybe. Change things up a little bit. I'm really wanting some more of the jasmine. What do I want it with though? I've got water lily. I think I've got blue velvet out, and so I'm going to use some of that. Can't go wrong with the Colourarte colors. Or trying new techniques. No idea what I'm doing, but I need to have some fun, and this is what I consider fun. I'm really tempted to put some more white in. Wipe my spatula off in between. I like just adding marks. This is definitely about mark making. I don't want to put too much paint down in my dots, because if I do, they'll just blend together just like that. But it's okay right now. I'll remember next time. I'm thinking jasmine again. Go figure. Be kind of neat to let the colors dry in between. I kind of like the dots. The dots are cool. Let's put some more gold in. It's not worry about swiping it or doing anything to it. I got a quick feeling like I'm rubbing the edge of my bottle in there. Really curious to see what would happen if I use my toothy tool. Actually, I've got this jagged tool. Kind of want some silver in there. Silver leaf. Maybe just a little. And I want to find that tool. Oh, I've got the graduated tool. These are cool. That's cool. I like it. I'm going to use the large end. Go right over here. Make something completely outlandish. And I don't want to go so far that I ruin everything, but I'm liking what I've got a lot. I've got paint left on my tool that I want to use up. Liking all that. What am I going to do with that gold? Add some more weird lines. I'm kind of feeling like I'm done, actually. Do I want any dots of any kind? I might want a few white dots. Why not? I'm here, you're here. So I should tell you I have 33 playlists with 100 videos on them each. And everything is also separated by topic and genre. So if you like a topic, a particular genre, please let me know. Kind of worry about the white schmutz that got left behind, but I guess I shouldn't. Come on, black. Now I could definitely add marks if I wanted to, doing whatever, like in chopsticks, skewers. Yeah, I think that's fun. Exactly what I needed. So I'm going to call it good. I'm not sure how much shimmer we have. It didn't take long to do that. That was that was a blast, honestly. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixers. So if I leave a few heavy spots, they won't crack. That was a riot. I haven't done dots and smears in a while, and that's what that's going to get called, dots and smears. Whoops, wrong app. So we'll try and shimmer this at you as best we can. I want it out there, and it's out there. Cool. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Know that the YouTube algorithm is only responding to the length of time that you watch a video. So if you appreciate my channel and you can manage to spend more time watching it, The longer you watch a video, the more likely I am to be able to stay here, but the people who are keeping me here really are the members of my channel. Thank you so much for helping me buy canvases so that I can continue painting. I appreciate Colourarte, and they have a 20% off Colourarte coupon code underneath Show More in the description underneath the video, along with my link tree. Near the Colourarte coupon code for 20% off, you're going to find a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs where you can find Australian Floetrol, which I did not use, but I do not mind because this was a blast. And now I'm going to do another one. Thank you for being here. Your kind words and your comments keep my morale boosted. When you shop my Amazon link, you'll find my 2 books, Because They Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Everything that I produce is available on Spring, The Gallerist, Society 6. Any link that you find on the link tree, I can have reproduced and added to the merchandise there. And all sales of merchandise help me just a little bit. My email address is easpb in the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I would love to sell you a piece of artwork. So get in touch. And don't forget to thumbs up. My paint pouring recipe is below, show more. And I hope to see you guys again soon. On my community board, you'll find tomorrow's video at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I usually get around to posting it the night before so you can see what's coming up if you want to. Questions are welcome and encouraged. Know I love you guys. You inspire me always, and I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.